Lines and angles are the foundation of geometry. In this lesson, we'll be looking at a few types of angles you'll need to be comfortable with. We'll practice with complementary and supplementary angles, corresponding angles, and finally, angles inside of polygons. Complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees, and supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. How do you remember the difference? Here's how I do it. An S kind of looks like two C's stuck together. Kind of like how supplementary angles are twice the sum of complementary angles. Typically, a question will tell you what type of angle you're dealing with. You'll see that on this problem. In this question, we're asked to find the measure of angle 1. And to do that, well, the question tells us that these two angles are supplementary. If you remember the two C's put together, that means they're equal to 180 degrees. No surprise there, because in the diagram, they also form a straight line. A straight line is 180 degrees. Now let's fill in the rest of the information. Angle 2 is x plus 100. Now, for angle 1, we might be tempted to use x, our favorite variable, but we shouldn't, and we can't, because they already use x to define angle 2, and we can't assume that angle 1 is just the variable x. So let's use our second most favorite variable y. And because we're looking for angle 1, let's just remind ourselves that this is the answer we're looking for. This is 180 degrees, and don't forget when you're substituting to put things in parentheses. I'm going to subtract 100 from both sides to begin the isolation process. And that leaves me with y plus x is equal to 80. Last up, let's subtract x from both sides to leave me with y. That means that y is equal to 80 minus x, or our answer choice B.